Today, we are going to be talking all about property management systems, otherwise known as PMS. And I couldn't think of anybody else better to invite on to this podcast than Naim of Zivu. What is PMS? What is property management software? What is Channel Manager in the most simplistic ways that you could describe it to everybody that's tuning in?
The way I'd put it is that the property management system is the brains and the Channel Manager is the arms. So you've got sort of everything sitting in the PMS, coordinating stuff, and then you've got the Channel Manager that's linking you up with the different websites, grabbing the bookings, sending out the prices, and so on.
So in your opinion, why is it so important to have a PMS for your business, whether it is service accommodation or hospitality? What is the one big mistake that you see people make when they first join a PMS, sign up to a PMS, or when they first get started on listing their properties on these softwares? What's the one big mistake that you see the majority of them making?
It's going to sound a bit funny, but I think one of the biggest mistakes is the research that people do. Perhaps some of the worst advice is outdated advice. Namely, something that worked 3-4 years ago but doesn't work anymore. So even when I started, my apartments myself, it was enough to put it on Airbnb and you were fine. You were making lots of money. Then things started weakening a bit and you had to sort of start going on booking.com and you had to think around with HomeAway and holiday lettings. And